We are going to learn how to do stencils printing. Stencils printing is usually done in bed covers, screens. It is also done in t-shirts. Let's see the things which are needed to do stencils printing. First, you need a OSB sheet, which is also called a glass paper, and we have to choose a design. I have chosen a big flower. This round will come in the center of the flower. We need a safety pin, a scissors, an iconic tube. I have taken a gold color iconic tube, and we need fabric color. The most important thing is we need a sponge. This sponge we can get in fancy store. I have cut this into two small pieces because I am going to do the printing in two colors. I am going to place this OSB sheet on this design. If you think this OSB sheet is going to move, you can just pin it with the help of the clip. I am going to take this 3D iconic tube and I am going to draw the outline of this design. We have to do the outline slowly with the help of this iconic tube. We have to do this outline fully and slowly do the outline properly. Finished fully the outline. It takes at least 15 to 20 minutes for drying. After this is dried fully, we have to do the cutting. To start the cutting, I have to poke with the help of a safety pin. I'll just show you how to poke it. Poking has to be done slowly and carefully. Getting a small gap, then we can use the scissors and we can start cutting. Sheet and not this design. So the cutting has to be done very carefully and very slowly. Since this OSB sheet is very slippery, we have to be very careful. Cutting fully, we have to keep this two designs aside and we have to use this OSB sheet for the stencils printing. This is a big double part bed cover. I have kept thick newspapers at the bottom. Since we are going to do a sponge damping of the paint, the paint will fall at the bottom also. To avoid that, we are keeping newspapers. Place this design slantingly on this bed cover and we are going to give an orange color in this empty area. I have taken a small sponge and this is a typical orange color. start damping into this design is a bigger design. Take this, the bottom flower here. This flower has to dry for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After that we have to place this circle on the center and we have to put another color on it. I'm going to do another flower this side in the same manner. Now I have finished doing these two flowers. We have to place this around the center of the flower. Now I'm going to do the next color. I'm going to repeat on the next flower. Now the stencils printing is over on these two flowers. You can do this printing in this full bed cover. You needn't waste these designs. Nowadays they are doing ready-made columns with the help of these designs, and you can also use this design in a greeting card. I have used this design in a greeting card like this. You can just use it like this, or you can make a ready-made column. If you are going to do it in t-shirts, you can give designs like iconic tube designs like